School districts have been working closely with local pharmacies and hospitals to get as many teachers and staff vaccinated this week as possible. Good evening. Thanks for joining us for your 5 News at 6. I'm Darren Bobb.
And I'm Veronica Ortega. Some school district leaders say it's been a slow but steady process. Fayetteville School District staff members proudly display their vaccine cards after getting their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.
We were expecting that we could accommodate 1,400 staff members in a matter of weeks, but we know that that is very dependent on the allotment that our vaccine distributors receive.
Vaccine distribution plans vary from district to district. For example, the Fayetteville School District has partnered with local pharmacies and Washington Regional for a drive-through shot clinic.
We know that between now and the beginning of February, we have over 900 staff members that have made appointments for their vaccine.
By far, one of the biggest school districts in our area is Springdale. It has nearly 3,000 staff members. Springdale is planning to host 2 mass vaccination clinics this week. Just north of 1,350 people have appointments.
The school system is the heartbeat of the community, and being able to keep the school system as functional as possible, it's paramount to our community, particularly during times like these.
In the River Valley, the Fort Smith School District is still working with state healthcare and pharmacies to develop specific opportunities to get the vaccines. In the meantime, they can call participating pharmacies to get an appointment.
We provided a list to them through email, and so they have those lists of pharmacies, and they can contact those pharmacies to schedule an appointment on their own if they would like to do so.
The Fort Smith School District has about 2,000 staff members, with 1,400 expressing interest in getting vaccinated. 400 people remain undecided. Also in Northwest Arkansas, the Rogers School District is hosting a shot clinic this Thursday for staff members that have scheduled appointments only. A spokesperson for the district says the plan is to vaccinate about 250 people that day.